Smoking and its health effect. Smoking. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the smoking. This is my first video on smoking. We will also make more videos in detail. Smoking is a practice in which a substance is burned and the resulting smoke breathed in to be tasted and absorbed into the bloodstream. Most commonly the substance is the dried leaves of the tobacco plant which have been rolled into a small square of rice paper to create a small, round cylinder called a cigarette. Smoking harms nearly every organ of the body, causing many diseases and affecting the health of smokers in general. Quitting smoking has immediate as well as long-term benefits for you and your loved ones. If you didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss the important video about your and your loved one health care. Please also like, share and leave a comment below. Smoking and death. Cigarette smoking is the leading preventable cause of death in the United States. Cigarette smoking causes more than 480,000 deaths each year in the United States. This is nearly 1 in 5 deaths. Smoking causes more deaths each year than the following causes combined: human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, illegal drug use, alcohol use, motor vehicle injuries, firearm-related incidents. More than 10 times as many U.S. citizens have died prematurely from cigarette smoking than have died in all the wars fought by the United States. Smoking causes about 90%, or 9 out of 10, of all lung cancer deaths. More women die from lung cancer each year than from breast cancer. 5. Smoking causes about 80%, or 8 out of 10, of all deaths from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Cigarette smoking increases the risk for death from all causes in men and women. The risk of dying from cigarette smoking has increased over the last 50 years in the U.S. Smoking and increased health risks. Smokers are more likely than non-smokers to develop heart disease, stroke, and lung cancer. Estimates show smoking increases the risk for coronary heart disease by 2 to 4 times, for stroke by 2 to 4 times, of men developing lung cancer by 25 times, of women developing lung cancer by 25.7 times. Smoking causes diminished overall health, increased absenteeism from work, and increased health care utilization and cost. Smoking and cardiovascular disease. Smokers are at greater risk for diseases that affect the heart and blood vessels, cardiovascular disease. Smoking causes stroke and coronary heart disease, which are among the leading causes of death in the United States. Even people who smoke fewer than 5 cigarettes a day can have early signs of cardiovascular disease. Smoking damages blood vessels and can make them thicken and grow narrower. This makes your heart beat faster and your blood pressure go up. Clots can also form. A stroke occurs when a clot blocks the blood flow to part of your brain. A blood vessel in or around your brain bursts. Blockages caused by smoking can also reduce blood flow to your legs and skin. Smoking and respiratory disease. Smoking can cause lung disease by damaging your airways and the small air sacs, alveoli, found in your lungs. Lung diseases caused by smoking include COPD, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Cigarette smoking causes most cases of lung cancer. If you have asthma, tobacco smoke can trigger an attack or make an attack worse. Smokers are 12 to 13 times more likely to die from COPD than non-smokers. Smoking and cancer. Smoking can cause cancer almost anywhere in your body. Bladder, blood, acute myeloid leukemia, cervix, colon and rectum, colorectal, esophagus, kidney and ureter, larynx, liver. Oropharynx includes parts of the throat, tongue, soft palate, and the tonsils. Pancreas, stomach, trachea, bronchus, and lung. Smoking also increases the risk of dying from cancer and other diseases in cancer patients and survivors. If nobody smoked, 1 of every 3 cancer deaths in the United States would not happen. Smoking and other health risks. Smoking harms nearly every organ of the body and affects a person's overall health. Smoking can make it harder for a woman to become pregnant. It can also affect her baby's health before and after birth. Smoking increases risks for preterm, early delivery, stillbirth, death of the baby before birth, low birth weight, sudden infant death syndrome, known as SIDS or crib death, ectopic pregnancy, orofacial clefts in infants. Smoking can also affect men's sperm, which can reduce fertility and also increase risks for birth defects and miscarriage. Smoking can affect bone health. Women past childbearing years who smoke have weaker bones than women who never smoked. They are also at greater risk for broken bones. Smoking and other health risks, continued. Smoking affects the health of your teeth and gums and can cause tooth loss. Smoking can increase your risk for cataracts, clouding of the eye's lens that makes it hard for you to see. It can also cause age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is damage to a small spot near the center of the retina, the part of the eye needed for central vision. Smoking is a cause of type 2 diabetes mellitus and can make it harder to control. The risk of developing diabetes is 30 to 40% higher for active smokers than non-smokers. Smoking causes general adverse effects on the body, including inflammation and decreased immune function. Smoking is a cause of rheumatoid arthritis. Quitting smoking and reduced risks. Quitting smoking cuts cardiovascular risks. Just 1 year after quitting smoking, your risk for a heart attack drops sharply. Within 2 to 5 years after quitting smoking, your risk for stroke may reduce to about that of a non-smoker's. If you quit smoking, your risks for cancers of the mouth, throat, esophagus, and bladder drop by half within 5 years. 10 years after you quit smoking, your risk for lung cancer drops by half. If you didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss the important video about your and your loved one healthcare. Please also like, share and leave a comment below.